Hello friends, I have purchased an engine oil for my bike after checking this number. Okay, did you ever check this number before purchasing engine oil for your bike? In this video, we will study whole theory and engineering about this number. And why should you purchase an engine oil after checking this number? Friends, this number is very important. You should select an engine oil after checking this number on the bottle. I will tell you why it is so. If you do not purchase the right oil, then the performance of your bike will decline with time. If this number is not appropriate according to your bike, then your bike performance will go down, especially in cold weather and very hot weather. Life of your engine will decrease considerably. It will result in excessive wear of moving parts in the engine and outside like bearings. So whenever you purchase an engine oil, look for this number on the bottle and select the right number. So I will tell you in this video the right number for your bike so that you can purchase the engine oil which is right for your bike, so that you can increase the performance of the bike and also enhance the life of your engine. So in this video lecture, we are going to study the whole theory about this thing, because sometimes when you go to a garage or when you go for lubrication or service of your bike, then the mechanic may not be well trained, so he may supply any engine oil or any lubricant oil, and that lubricant oil may not be suitable for your bike, and your bike performance will decline with period, and over a long period of time you will see the effect on your engine. So I will tell you the right oil for your bike, and it depends upon the various areas where you are living, that is the various atmospheric conditions where are you living. If you are living near equator, if you are living in hilly areas where the temperature is low, then the oil will change accordingly. So in this video, I will tell you what is the best oil for your bike and what is the best grade of oil you should use for your bike. So keep watching the videos. Friends, let us understand the science behind this number. The number which is written over here. Let us understand the science behind this. Okay, this number represents a particular grade of oil. The Society of the Automotive Engineer USA, denoted by SAE here, it is the Society of Automotive Engineers which classifies the various lubricants. Okay, so the Society of Automotive Engineer USA has classified the lubricant based on their viscosity and the thickness. Okay, and these oils or lubricant are classified into two groups, the group number 1, okay, and the group number 2. So there are a total 11 oils, and all the oils have certain designations, such as this is the designation for the oil 1, this is oil 2, this is oil 3, this is oil 4, this is oil 5, this is oil 6. So there are certain designation for every oil. This oil has designation 20, this oil has designation 30. So there are total 11 oil, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And all these oils are classified into two groups by Society of Automotive Engineer USA. And group 1 contains oil which are suitable for use in cold climate because they can flow easily at low temperature and their pore temperature is low. Okay. These are followed by a letter W. Okay, they are the designation of every oil here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oil in this group, and every oil has a designation which is followed by a letter W and a number before W. Here the W denotes the winter grade of the oil, and the oil which comes under this group are SAE 0W, 5W, 10W, 15W, 20W and 25W. They have excellent flowability, that is their flow is very smooth and it has excellent flow. Okay, and the lubrication at low temperature, they are used for lubrication at low temperature, that is during the starting condition when the engine is cold. Then this group of lubricant, that is these oil, will provide the best lubrication to you at low temperature, especially in hilly areas and also at the starting condition when the engine is cold. So okay, so lubrication to the cold engine, it is very good for the lubrication for the cold engine, and it provide best lubrication during the low temperature condition because it has excellent flowability. Whereas the lubricant of the group 2 contain oils which are suitable for hot weather and they have high viscosity. and thickness, that is they have high thickness, where they are very thick oils, and provide good lubrication to engine at high temperature and load. High temperature and load, at high temperature and load they provide best lubrication. So they have high viscosity, that is high thickness, and good lubrication at high temperature is provided by these oils, and lubricant to hot engine. These provide lubrication to hot engine, that is when the engine is started running and it has attained a certain speed. So these engine oil provide best lubrication to that engine. Now the engine oil that we normally use in our bike, that is this engine oil that we use normally in our bikes, comes under various specifications, that is these number may vary according to the various companies, or various same company may provide engine oil with different designation. These number may vary on this pack. Okay, so I will tell you what number you should choose for your bike. Now normally the oil we use in bikes is a mixture of one oil from group 1 and another oil from the group 2. So the one oil is taken from the group 1 here, and one oil is taken from group 2, and they are mixed and they are put into this cartoon, so that you can have a best engine oil for your bike for providing lubrication. So here what they have done, the company has done, they have taken the 20W oil from this group. Okay, and see here, this is 20W, so they are taking 20W from here. Okay, and they have taken a oil 50, designation 50 from this group 2, and they have mixed both these oil are mixed, okay, blended and put into this cartoon, so that you can get your oil for your engine. So this is a engine oil which is best suited for the climate that I am living in, that is near equator, that is warm climate. This oil is best suitable for the warm climate. Now I will tell you, according to your areas where you are living, what type of engine oil you should use. So I have already explained whole theory that the engine oil that we are using comes from these, by mixing the group of oils, that is taking one oil from group 1 and taking one oil from group 2 and mixing them, so that we can get an engine oil. Okay, so this is the thing that we have to keep in mind. So when you take a oil from group 1 and take a group oil from group 2 and mix them and use them as an engine oil, then you can get the property, both these properties, that is excellent flowability at low temperature. You will get high viscosity, thickness of this oil, and you will get lubrication at low temperature due to this oil, and you will get good lubrication at high temperature also because of this oil, because we have mixed both these oils. So we will get the property of both these oils in this oil, in this engine oil. And lubrication to cold engine and lubrication to hot engine, both we will get properties of both the things we will get in this oil. Okay, so that's why it is very important to check this number. Now friend, we will see according to the climate which oil you should choose. So if you are looking in some cold area, okay, like J&K and Himachal, if you are living in Himachal Pradesh or J&K, so you should use a oil with designation having 20W and 30. And if you are living in Uttarakhand, northern UP, that is where the average temperature climate, where average temperature is there, then you can choose the 15W40 as your oil. And if you are living in hot climate, that is near equator, that is you are living in UP, MP, Rajasthan, near equator, then you can use this oil that is having designation 20W50, that I am using, because I am living in a hot area. That's why I am using this oil. And here the symbol 4T represent the 4 here represent the 4-stroke engine, and T represent the 2-wheeler. So it is a oil for 2-wheeler having 4-stroke engine. Okay friends, now as this number decreases, you can see that as the winter grade number is decreasing, at this number, look at this number and this number. For colder climate, we are choosing a lesser value of this winter grade oil. That is, we are using a lesser value of a number which is lying before W letter. Why? Because the ability to the flow of the lubricant with the decrease in temperature increases with a decrease in this number. So for colder climate, we will choose a number winter designation having less number, and for hotter climate we will choose a number which is having high value of this. Okay, that is the second number. That is second number. So you can see that for hot climate this number is high, and for medium climate it is 40, and for cold climate it is 30. So it decreasing. And for cold climate this number is 10, and for average climate this number is 15, and for hot climate this number is 20. So it is increasing. So you can look for this number on the cartoon of any of the engine oil that you are purchasing, and you can purchase that oil accordingly so that your bike can run for a longer period of time. So friend, if you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for the notification of the upcoming video. So thank you friends for watching the video.